How do you add overlays and backgrounds to your live stream, whether that's text overlays or image overlays? In this video, I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know to get this working for you. Hi, I'm Sarah Nguyen, and on this channel, I help you grow your business using video on social media with ease. And in this live stream tutorial, I'm going to walk you through exactly what you need to do to add text overlays, image overlays, and backgrounds to your live streams, whether that's on Facebook Live, YouTube Live, or any other live streaming platform. The live stream software that I'm using today is Restream. They're an incredibly robust and painless live stream platform, and I've been using them for a couple of years now, and I absolutely love them. They've got free and paid plans, and you can sign up using my link in the description if you'd like to try them out and get a $10 credit. It doesn't matter if you're on a Mac or a PC, you can use Restream Live Studio to live stream from your web browser. So you don't need a souped up, complicated computer to make this happen for you. Let's go over to my computer now and I'll walk you through step by step everything you need to know. So after you've logged into the Restream Studio, if you go over to the Captions tab, you'll be able to get started with adding some overlays to your live stream and setting them up. So you've got the ability to add overlays over one line or two lines. So this is what it looks like when we have one line of captions, as you can see here. Alternatively, we can add text to two lines and it looks like this. And it's really easy to add. All you would do what is in this primary text section, you would type what text you would like to appear in the first line. And in the second line, if you want to use that, you would type the text there, so second line text. And when you click add caption, this will create this for you. And during your live stream, when you want it to show, all you would do is click on it and click show. And this will add it to the live stream. And once you're ready for the caption or overlay to disappear, you would click hide, and this will remove it from the actual live stream. If we go over to the graphics tab, this opens up more options for overlays for us. So if we go over, we can see that we've got these brand settings and these control the design of the captions that you can see. So we've got it on the rounded one at the moment, but we can also choose between this news one, which is a bit blockier, and also this default one as well. And we have the choice to also choose the color. So at the moment, it's on this beautiful purple color, but you can pretty much choose any color in the color spectrum simply by dragging the little color picker here and choosing the one that suits you. Now, let's get into some other overlays. We've got the ability to add a logo. So you would be able to create an image and have it transparent. Restream recommend that you resize it to be 512 by 512 pixels, and you can add it by simply clicking this plus icon here to upload it from your computer. Once you've done that, it will appear in this logo section here, and you would simply click on it to display it during your live stream, and it will appear in the top corner there. And you can have that during the whole live stream as your logo or an important graphic or important message. And once you're ready for it to leave the live stream, you would simply click off it. Now let's talk about overlay images. So you have the ability within Restream Studio to add overlays, which are essentially graphics that can be transparent so that you're able to see the image and the camera at the same time. So I'm going to click on one overlay that I have to demonstrate this. So I've got the middle section of the iPad cut out so that the camera still can be seen, and this is transparent. And the rest of the image here was designed so that it adds some color, it adds some personality to the live stream. And you can create all sorts of overlays and use this to decorate your live streams as well as to use them as teaching points. So I love using the overlays to be a bit creative and to kind of mix things up, but I also like using overlays to emphasize teaching points and to have things on screen so that the viewers can see them during the live stream. So you're not limited to just images and decorative things, you can actually use overlays as teaching points as well. And all you would do to add an overlay is create it, and then once you've created it, you would click on this upload button here. Once you click on that, you have the option to be able to choose it to add it to the actual Restream Studio. And once it's uploaded, it will be here for you to use during the live stream. And to activate it, you would simply click on it and then to hide it, you would click off it. And you can switch between different overlays during your live stream, and it really is a nice way to personalize the stream. I'm going to share my screen in order to demonstrate the last one that you can add, which is backgrounds. And I wanted to talk about this because overlays kind of appear in front of the camera feed, and backgrounds will appear behind the actual camera feed and other things as well. So I've shared my screen here, and what this does is this allows you to see the background, which is this beautiful color here. And you can change the background in Restream in this background section. You would simply click on this plus icon, and this will allow you to choose an image that you can upload. And once you've uploaded it, you'll be able to switch to the background during your live stream, which is a really nice way of adding beautiful color, adding some personality, and adding some visual dynamic to the live stream. So I can simply click on it to show it, and it would change it out. And to remove it, I would click on hide to get rid of it. So it's really easy to add backgrounds and to add beautiful color and to add some more personality to your live stream using backgrounds. If you found this video useful, give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And let me know in the comments section below, what other live stream tutorials would you like to learn about? I'd love to make these videos for you. And in the meantime, why don't you check out my Restream playlist or grab a copy of my Facebook Live cheat sheets. It's a super simple guide to get you up and streaming on Facebook Live, even if you've never hit record before. The links are on the screen now. Check them out, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.